viewers, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaskaram. You are watching Aha Namma channel. It's full and full education and entertainment. Watch the video carefully and learn it everything.
Hi my dears, how are you all? How is your family? Okay, good morning to all. So now we continue the same chapter ration numbers, exercise 2.1. Last class we have to see about Roman letter 3. So now we will continue from 4th Roman letter. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. What is meant by multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse means we have to take reciprocal of the number, but no need to change the symbol. Okay, so this is the concept of multiplicative inverse. So minus 13. So answer, you should write minus 13 can be written as 13 divided by 1. So you have to write multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is, so minus 13 in the sense denominator is 1. So denominator is 1. So now you take the reciprocal. You no need to change this negative symbol. It should be negative only. You have to take the reciprocal. 1 by 13. So 13 by 1 become 1 by 13. The negative symbol you no need to change. It should be negative only. So multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 1 is 1 by 13. Minus 1 by 13. The same way, question number 2. Directly write the answer. So multiplicative inverse of minus 13 divided by 5 is, already I told you have to take the reciprocal of the number only. You no need to change the symbol. Because of that negative is there, you put minus as it is same. 13 by 5 you have to take the reciprocal. It become 5 by 13. So multiplicative inverse of this one is minus 5 by 13. And next, here you have to do some solution. So minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7, which is equal to, you should multiple numerator to numerator. Minus into minus plus 5 3s are 15 plus 15 divided by 7 8s are 56. Now you see 15 by 56 plus 15 by 56. So now you write multiplicative inverse of 15 by 56, because the product of this two rational number, the value is 15 by 36. What is the multiplicative inverse? Is 56 divided by 15. So positive become positive only. Only thing you have to take the reciprocal of 15 by 56. It become 56 by 15. Now you see homework, third question, fifth question, sixth question. Do it in your homework book. Okay, I will share you the topic rational numbers in PDF. You have to refer that PDF and note down the question and do it in your homework book. Now we see Roman letter 5. Name the property under multiplication uses in each of the following. So here you see minus 4 by 5 into 1. 1 into 4 by minus 4 by 5, you get minus 4 by 5. So just you have to recall it. Number can be product with any of the number, you get the same answer, means we say it as that should be multiplicative identity in your product. For example, 2 can be multiple with any number, but the result is 2. 2 into you don't know the number, but the value is 2. So in which number you multiple with? This should be 1. So 1, we say it as a multiplicative identity. Here you have to see minus 4 by 5 into 1. Otherwise 1 into minus 4 by 5, you get the same answer, minus 4 by 5. So here this 1 is the multiplicative identity. So directly you write the answer. So it should be multiplicative identity. So question number 2, minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7, which is equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 7. So here you see it should be look like A by B into C by D, which is equal to C by D into A by B. This is for your reference. You don't need to write this in examination. Directly you write the answer, what the property is this. It should be, you see, A by B into C by D, which is equal to C by D into A by B. Only the term should be interchange. We say it as this one is, answer should be commutative property. Commutative property. And next, minus 19 by 29. Here 29 by 19, you get 1. So you don't see this one. You look at this product. You see the first one, minus 19 by 29. You see the second one, 29 by same minus 19. There is no changing of the symbol, but here the number should be taken reciprocal. So we have to, you no need to change the symbol and you have to take the reciprocal of the number, means what we say, that one is a multiplicative inverse. Why we get 1? The product of a number and its multiplicative inverse, it should be is equal to 1. A product of a number and its inverse, which is equal to 1. Product means multiplication. That should be minus 19 by 29. This one can be multiple with the inverse of this, 29 by minus 19. The value is 1. So here we have to use multiplicative inverse. Okay, so now move on to the Roman letter 6. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. How it can be written as multiply? So 6 by 13 can be multiply with reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. 6 by 13, this one can be multiplied with reciprocal of minus 7 by, it should mention only the reciprocal. Okay, so it can be written as 6 by 13 can be multiple with reciprocal, 16 divided by minus 7. Now you multiple numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. What is the multiplication? 6 into 16. How? 6 6 are 36. 6 remaining 3. 6 ones are 6 plus 3. It should be 9. So automatically the numerator, it should be goes on negative to the numerator, no problem. And 7 3s are 21. Remaining 2. 7 ones are 7. 91. So you see 96 divided by 91. So this is the product of 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 6. Next we move on to question number 7. I will inform you question number 7. It should be a homework. You should do it in homework book. Okay, and question should be, you have to refer the book. I have to share that in PDF. Okay, this question number 7 is equal to question number 5. You have to see the numbers and you have to write the what the property is it is. Okay. Question number 8. Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8? Why or why not? So here they are asking 8 by 9 is the inverse of minus 1 by 8. So this one is the inverse of this one. They will asking. So already I have to show one question. The product of a number and its inverse, it gives 1. So it may be this 8 by 9 is inverse of this minus 1 by 8, in the sense those product it gives 1. Okay. The solution. Product of a number and its inverse is equal to 1. This is the condition. If product of a number and its inverse is equal to 1. So here they consider 8 by 9 is inverse of minus 1 by 8. So now you have to multiply it. 8 by 9 into minus 1 divided minus 1 into 1 by 8, which is equal to 8 by 9 into 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 1 9. So minus 1 you consider outer. So you have to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 1 9. So minus 9 by 8. Now you consider 8 will get cancelled. 9 will get cancelled. You get minus 1. This one which is not equal to 1. Okay, so 1 should be a positive 1. Here you get minus 1. Therefore 8 by 9 is not a multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8. So automatically you see 8 by 9 is in positive, but here is in negative. Already I told multiplicative inverse may not be changed the symbol, only take reciprocal of the number only. So here the positive negative, in this wise we conclude this is not a inverse. So you need to prove the product of the number and its inverse which is equal to 1. We say it as a inverse, otherwise it is not a multiplicative inverse. Okay. So question number 9 is 0.3 is multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. The same as usual, the question number 8 and 9 are same method. The only thing I will give the hint, instead of this decimal number 0.3 can be written in the fraction 3 by 10. Now you see 3 by 10 is a multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. So you have to refer question number 8 and do it this one as a homework in your homework book. Now we move on to the question number 10. The rational number that does not have a reciprocal. So already I told rational number having positive rational number, negative rational number. So which one does not have a reciprocal? Just you think, for negative in the sense minus 1 is the reciprocal, minus 2 minus 1 by 2 is the reciprocal. So which one doesn't have a reciprocal? That should be 0. Answer, it should be 0, because 0 is a rational number but it doesn't have a reciprocal, because 1 by 0 is not a rational number, because we don't have any explanation regarding this 1 by 0. Always the rational number, it should be P by Q format. Q is not equal to 0. So because of that 1 by 0 is not a rational number. So 0 doesn't have a reciprocal. Rational number that are equal to the reciprocal. So you see 2, 1 by 2 is a reciprocal. 3, 1 by 3 is a reciprocal. So which number having same number as a reciprocal? Answer, minus 1 and plus 1. You see minus 1, the reciprocal is minus 1 only. plus 1, the reciprocal is always plus 1. Question number 3. The rational number that is equal to its negative. Okay. So already I told rational number it always equal to its negative. So plus 1 is not equal to minus 1. Plus 2 is not equal to minus 2. The only one number that should be 0. 0, you no need to refer any symbol plus or minus, but plus 0 or minus 0 both getting same value 0 only. Okay. So now 0 has dash reciprocal. So already I told them the rational number that does not have a reciprocal, answer is 0. Now you say 0 has dash reciprocal, no reciprocal. The number dash and dash are their own reciprocal. The rational number that all equal to the reciprocal, minus 1 and plus 1, same. The number dash and dash are their own reciprocal. So plus 1 and minus 1 having a own reciprocal. The reciprocal of minus 5, so denominator is 1, it can be written as minus 1 by 5. And next question number 4. Reciprocal of 1 by x. So you have to take the reciprocal, the answer is x. Product of two rational number is always a rational number. Reciprocal of a positive rational number. So reciprocal in the sense you have to interchange the numerator and denominator, but we no need to change the symbol. So always positive become positive, negative become negative. So reciprocal of a positive, it should be a positive rational number only. Positive rational number. Okay students, today we have to see regarding multiplicative inverse and which one having a same reciprocal, both positive and negative, and which one doesn't have a reciprocal like that. In the next class we will see how to represent this rational number in number line and how you have to find out a rational numbers between two rational number. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை ட்ரைன் தட்டுங்க.